Ah, Italy. This is my letter to you, the place of my heritage, my upbringing, my roots. I've visited many parts of Italy, all over the north, but now it's time to see one of the most spectacular parts of them all. Tuscany. And that's me, doing my cinematic walk in Pisa. And look at the tower, it actually leans! And here is my wife who was with me on the trip. Taking her Instagram pic. Tuscany has some of the most beautiful countryside in the world, from the vineyards to the fields. From sunset to sunrise. The medieval villages. And it houses some of the most beautiful art the world has ever seen. And some of the most epic street performers. Street artists. Street musicians. Tuscany, it has it all. And in the morning, the workers start setting up the central market of Florence. You can buy all sorts of items, from leather bags, to leather belts, to linen clothing. The central market has a variety of items. And once you set foot inside, you can see all the fresh produce. That's right. It's the fresh produce that makes some of the most delicious food in the world. I remember when I was young, my nonna used to make me my favourite pasta, my favourite pizza. Those were the days. And don't forget Tuscany's most famous produce, wine. Italy is a religious country, and you can see by the majestic churches it hosts. And if you're tired of the city life, you can go visit the coastline, which is a World Heritage Site, Cinque Terre. This trip and this story is coming to an end now. This is my letter to Italy.